Okay, I put the 3-jaw back on. Got the part here. And I believe we had to go down to the second notch in order to clamp it. Right there. Clamp it, and we're going to face that end off. Don't remember what the length was. The length is supposed to be 1 inch 875. Let's take that back out of there and measure it. We are 2 inches 75. Okay. We're at 2 inches 75, and we want to go to 1 inch 875. Correct? Correct. So we need to take off 0, 0, exactly 200 thou. Need to take 200 thou off of there. All right. All right. And put this tool in. Lathe hasn't been running, so we will go with B2 for a little bit. Let that oil circulate and lube all those gears and bearings up in there. All right, now we'll go about 600. In here and touch. We'll check it again before I finish it. We're going to take 50 thou. All right, and we'll take another 50. soon as I get these chips out of the way. Another 50. My readout, or my feed, is unplugged. I fed that first one by hand. Feed it on this one. So we'll take it to 150, then I'm going to take it out of there, take it over the surface plate and check it. That way I can check to see if it's running parallel to the other face. And then I'm not clamping it a little crooked or anything. Now I'm running an indicator around on it. A lot of stuff is, you know, we did all that stuff on the other side, so. So I'll take another 50th cut here after this. Take her to 150. And I'm going to lock the carriage. Out of all the big chunks of aluminum that I have, I don't have a piece for the Hodgkins 9, so I'm going to have to order some material. I don't have anything that I can get, what is it, 5 1/4 or 5.5 inch diameter. So, all right, so I'm going to take this over to the surface plate and give it a quick check, and then I'll be back. Okay, I checked it on the surface plate. We got exactly 50 thou to come off of there. It was within, like, I'd say a couple tenths moving the indicator around on here to the other side. So we're going to just go ahead and take that 50. Unlock the carriage, move in that 50. Lock her back down, feed her through. Then we'll get the indicator out. We want to make sure we get it concentric, that hole running concentric, before we bore the hole for the bearing. Might have to put a little shim under one side, because I think it looks like it's running out just a little bit. That's it. That's it for the facing. Should be the right length. So now, let's get an indicator out and check that. And we use the little high stand again. See, the sun shining in my face here in the window. It's windier and crap outside, but it's nice out as far as temperature wise. I think it's only like 28 degrees. Better than below zero that we've been having. Lock that down tight. Okay, right at there is 0. I'm going to hit the E-stop, put it in neutral here. Okay, so it's a little high right there, like about 1.5 thou. 0. Actually made it worse. All right, in that case, unclamp it. Right there's 0. No, now we're way off. Let's just try it. A little chip get underneath it or what? All right. Want that to run concentric. Now we're back to so I'm going to put a 1/1000 shim underneath that. If I can find one here. And we'll see what that does. 3. Not in order. Well, I guess the smallest one I got in here that ain't ripped up is a 3. Let's try that. Let's try putting a 3 in there. Poked me. Okay, I'll take care of that right now. A little sliver hanging on the edge that got me. Not anymore. All right. Now, what was I doing? Oh, now I got to find the spot that I want to put that shim in. Okay, so if I put the shim underneath this one right here, usually this chuck runs pretty damn true. That's too much. All right. All right. We'll take a piece of telephone paper here. Wow. Not going to believe this, but it's less than 1/1000. Let's tighten her up tighter. Tight. Put another piece of telephone paper over here and I think I'll have it right. I'll have it licked. Let's take that, stick it over here too. Hold that in there. Nope. That's too much. Maybe if I put it both in here, over here. I'm sticking a double layer over here now of telephone paper. There is another way of doing this, and that is to set up a boring head on the mill. Nope. That's within a half a thou. I think I'm going to call that good. Let's move it in a little bit. Same thing. Move it out. That's good. That's good enough right there for me. It's within a half, so that would be actually a quarter thou radial. So I think it'll be all right. Boring bar again. Which boring bar do I want to use? Let's go with if I can find one here quick in my toolbox. You would think, but I'll go with this one. I'll go with this one right here. Let's look at the end of that. It should be all right. I was looking to see how big a radius that it had on the end. The bearing's got a chamfer on the sides usually anyway, so we should be fine. And this should be set at height. Center height, but I'll check it. Just to make sure. Scale. Looks pretty good to me. Most of them do, unless you got it turned way off. They'll repeat in this tool holder, so. Right, we're going to set our depth, and the diameter is 1 inch 23. 315 deep. One inch 23. And just double checking, 315 deep. Yep. That doesn't leave much of a wall thickness down there, does it? Nope. No, it doesn't. Where are we at there? I should have went and probably looked for a bearing right away. Well, I can order one if I don't have one. Okay, so let's take 50. $50,000. Okay, I'm going to get a snap gauge now. Wrong snap gauge. Who put that in the wrong spot? No. $9.53. Take another 50. Should be about 20 thou to go. Should be like a 103. let's see. $103.5. And it's supposed to be 103.5, so 20 thou would do it. Zero that. $20 thou. All right. Should be 123 and about 7/10. Yep, it's a little bit bigger. 124. So that might be, well, I'll just have to Loctite it in if there's no press on that bearing. There should still be a press. Because remember, snap gauge actually reads a press fit to start with. So we should be good. All right.